Greetings students, welcome to my class. Students, how are you all and how are you doing? I hope you all are fit and fine and you are doing well, and I hope the same for your family members. So my dear students, in previous class we finished the poem Amanda. I explained the poem, I told you about the summary, we discussed the question answers. I hope you all have understood the poem very well. Now my dear students, in today's class we are going to start another chapter, next chapter of your English textbook First Flight, and the name of the chapter is Madam Rides the Bus. The author of this chapter or the writer of this chapter is Valli Kannan. Well, before we do the detailed explanation of the chapter, my dear students, I would like to tell you a brief introduction of this chapter, Madam Rides the Bus. Well, as you can see, I have noted down few points, and these few points will give you a brief introduction of the chapter. So the first point says this chapter is all about an 8-year-old girl. There is a girl whose name is Valli, and she is 8-year-old girl. Well, her favorite pastime is she always gazing at the hustle and bustle of the street, because she didn't have any friends, so she always looks outside of her house, and she stands at the doorway and then she gazes at the hustle and bustle of the street. जो सड़क पे गली में, जो उसके सामने गली है, सड़क है, उस पे जो भीड़ भाड़ आती जाती है, लोग आते जाते हैं, वो देखती रहती है. And her favorite pastime is bus. There is a bus who arrives, बस अराइविंग एंड डिपार्टिंग. बस आती है और जाती है तो वो उसको देखती रहती है. And that is her favorite pastime. And because she looks towards the bus, so she develops a desire. First she wishes, then she develops, and then she makes a mission to travel by the bus. And then she collects all the information about the bus, collect bus fare also, and she plans of coming back. She plans to travel by the bus, collects all the information, all the data and all bus fare, distance and all this thing, and she also plans by going and coming back before her mother wakes up from her afternoon nap. उसकी माँ दिन में सोती है दोपहर में, और 2 से 3-4 घंटे सोती है, तो वो सोचते हैं कि मैं उस बीच में ही जाऊंगी और वापस आ जाऊंगी. So while she goes back, she enjoys the journey. She loves the way a cow comes in front and then goes, and that makes the bus bus speeds. They have to, the driver has to reduce the bus speed as the cow comes in front of the bus and running. So that she enjoys that. And when she is coming back, an incident makes her realize the reality of death. Then she comes to know the reality of death. When she is coming back, she sees the same cow is lying on the road and lying on the road dead, and she is dead. So she comes back and she realizes the reality of death. No one knew that she has traveled by the bus. किसी को पता नहीं था उसने किया. She had traveled by the bus. So this is the small introduction of the chapter Madam Rides the Bus, my dear students. Now I will tell you about the summary. I hope you all have now an idea what is this chapter is all about. So the summary is, this lesson starts with an 8-year-old girl, an 8-year-old girl whose name is Valli. She didn't have any friends. उसके कोई दोस्त नहीं है. That's why to play with her. उसके कोई भी दोस्त नहीं है. And then what does she do? She always stands at her doorway and she looks outside. She always stares and gazing, देखती रहती है वो लगातार. What is the hustle and bustle going on the street? जो भी गली में उसके चौराहे पे चलती रहती है. And what she loves the most of the bus. She lives in a village. बाहर देखती रहती है. And there is a bus who comes in every hour, comes and go. बस comes and bus goes in every hour. हर 1 घंटे में एक बस आती है और जाती है. तो she enjoys, and because she looks daily and she enjoys the most of the arriving and departing of the bus, so there is a desire she wish to travel by the bus, and the wish turns into desire. Wish of traveling by the bus becomes the desire. वो जो उसकी शुरू में जस्ट एक सोच होती है वो एक उसकी इच्छा बन जाती है. Then she makes it a mission of fulfilling it. What she makes this, traveling by that bus, she makes that thing a mission, and she starts she decides that I will complete it, I will fulfill that mission. And for that mission, to take that journey by the bus, she starts collecting, she starts listening to the conversation of her neighbors, who are the frequent traveler by the bus, or who used to go by that bus, who used to take that bus. And then she asks some discrete questions, some good questions, and she collects the data by all these things, and then she comes to know that the distance of the town is for 6 miles, and it will take 45 minutes to go and 45 minutes to come back by the bus. And then she also comes to know that the fare of one side is 30 paisa and another coming back also 30 paisa, so she needs 60 paisa to travel. And then the real fight, you can say, real struggle, you can say, starts for her to save the money for traveling and to resist herself, because she's just an 8-year-old girl, so she has to resist herself by buying the candy peppermint and go and merry go round. झूला झूलने से अपने आप को रोकना, चीज़ें टॉफ़ी खरीदने से रोकना, खाने से रोकना, ये सब उसके लिए एक चैलेंज था, एक युद्ध था, और जिसमें वो विजयी होती है. एंड शी फाइनली मैनेज टू सेव 60 पैसा, वो मैनेज करती है उसको और कर लेती है वो travel करने. And then she knows that it will take 45 minutes and then to go and then 45 minutes to come back. That means 1.5 hours. So she decides that when her mother always takes 3 to 4 hour naps in the afternoon after all her household work, then she decides that I will go one fine day and I will come back before my mother wakes up. So she decides to go, and one fine day, spring day, she decides to go. She goes and she takes the ticket and goes inside the bus, and then in the bus she neglects to take she just denies to take the help of anybody, conductor, lady, or anyone. She tries to look outside the window, and the conductor of the bus was a jolly person and who used to crack the jokes and all. So he asks her and he gives her the name Madam, and which annoys her. And one lady, she just wants to look outside the window, and she looks outside the window. One lady, an old lady, just shows her concern. She thinks that she is all alone, and the girl is all alone. Wally is all alone, and she is not capable of do anything on her own, and she is traveling. So everybody in the bus was amused by seeing an 8-year-old girl traveling all alone. And Wally, gets irritated by all these things because she wants to enjoy that ride, and she looks outside, and then there's one young cow running out in front of the bus, and that incident makes her very, very happy. She enjoys the running of cow in front of the bus, and she enjoys. बहुत मज़ा आता है उसको. And when the bus reaches to the town, she denies to go get down of the bus because she's afraid of going down, and she is afraid that she's alone. She doesn't know anything. That's why she just denies the offer of buying the cold drink and getting down with the conductor. And then when the bus starts going back to the village, she decides, she saw the same cow is lying on the road dead. Then she comes to know, and this shocks her. She was so afraid. That was a terrible experience for her, and she comes to know the reality of death. When she reaches home, her mother was talking with her aunt, and when they were discussing about the different possibilities of the world, different conditions of the world, what can happen in the world, different things. And then she affirms with the her mother, and at that her mother and they both, her aunt both were shocked. Then she clarifies her saying that she agrees with her mother. At this thing her aunt says that she's a no spoken girl, जो हर बात में अपनी टांग अड़ाती है, who is trying to show that I am mature but she's just an 8-year-old girl, और दिखा रही है कि मैं बहुत बड़ी हूँ. तो उसकी आंट ये सोचती है. But in reality only Wally knew that what she was saying, and nobody knew that she traveled by the bus all alone. So this was the summary, my dear students. I hope this summary is clear to you. I have given you introduction also, and in the next video we will start the explanation of the chapter. Thank you.